there, fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. If you're running a business on eBay, you know the struggle of deciphering those fees, right? Well, worry not. Today we're diving into the wild world of eBay fees, breaking them down like never before. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at navigating the eBay fee jungle. Welcome to Link My Books, where we make accounting cool and eBay fees even cooler. Today we're dissecting our recent blog post on eBay fees. But wait, before we jump in, if you haven't checked out the full blog post over on our website, you're missing out on some serious e-commerce wisdom. Hit the link below after this video. Now, eBay fees. They're like that tricky puzzle you can't crack, but fear not, because we're your eBay fee superheroes, here to save the day. First up, we've got insertion fees, the cost of listing your item. It's free for your first 250 listings, but cross that limit and it's 35 cents per listing. Ouch, right? But hold on, there's more. Once your item sells, cue the drum roll for the final value fee. It's a percentage of the sale amount, plus 30 cents per order. The percentage varies by category: electronics, laptops, auto, books. It's like a fee party. And just when you thought you had it all figured out, there's the real estate listing fee, payment processing fee, promoted listing fee. The fees are coming at you from all angles. But hey, don't panic. We're not just here to drop fees on you. Our blog post spills the tea on how to reduce those fees. Opening an eBay store, offering free shipping, being an eBay rockstar, all these can save you some serious cash. And let's not forget our international sellers. eBay charges international selling fees, so be aware of those extra costs when sending your items across borders. Alright, let's break it down with a couple of examples. Selling a laptop for $500? Your final value fee is $62.75 plus 30 cents. Selling a book for $20, final value fee is $3.11 plus 30 cents. Selling internationally, brace yourself for that additional international selling fee. Now, calculating eBay fees can feel like solving a complex equation, but fear not, there are handy online calculators to make your life easier. Just plug in your numbers and voila, instant fee estimate. Ready to slash those fees? Open an eBay store. Offer free shipping. Be a top-rated seller. These are your secret weapons against the fee monsters. Use promoted listings wisely and you'll be the eBay fee ninja in no time. So there you have it, the ultimate eBay fee survival guide brought to you by Link My Books. But remember, knowledge is power, and understanding these fees is the key to thriving on eBay. Now go ahead, hit that link button and dive into our blog post for an in-depth exploration if you want to simplify your eBay fees calculations. Thanks for tuning in, e-commerce warriors. Until next time, happy selling and may the fees be ever in your favor.